He popped out to see if he could spy dry land. If he could see dry land. He popped out to see if he could see dry land in the distance. But no, he was totally out at sea. He stepped onto the deck and stayed there for a little while.
I got a brick and a plastic fork. What am I doing?
He was a philosophical pirate. Out in this ocean, he saw two sea wolves. They were swimming around out in the ocean. The captain looked at the sea wolves. The captain looked at the sea wolves. And he decided to catch one for dinner. So he took his trusty fork.
I'll get you flies with my plastic fork.
And he chased them around the teepee. But he was no match.
This is my tasty sea wolf.
I love Captain Boy.
I can't hurt a sea wolf.
And suddenly they landed on a desert island. And they decided to be friends. And look for treasure together.
Oh, I think I found something.
Suddenly,
Captain, come here.
they all grew very happy.
It's hot on this island. I think I'll take my pants off. I'm basking in the sun. Look yonder, Captain. That sea wolf is starting to look mighty cute on this island.
Suddenly, instead of treasure, they found a giant apple.
Oh, no! A giant apple? I hate apples!
And then they walked the plank. And then they decided the person who found the apple must walk the plank.
Oh no! Not the plank!
Yes.
Not the plank! I can't even stand
Get out there and walk that plank!
You know, I was never good at pirate sports as a kid.
You hurt me!
The pirates laughed treacherous laughs. And then they started whistling.
Walk the plank!
You don't have to walk the plank.
Oh,
Just
good.
eat this paper plate.
Oh, that's so much better.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
My life!
You're all right.
The night came. It became slightly dark, and they decided it was time for a bit of a knees up, bit of a party.
Get him, mate.
The first captain jumped onto the chair,
That's a mighty jump.
and he started brushing his teeth. And they all clapped as the cabin boy sang an erotic dance. They all got on the chair.
We could fish. Come on board.
Climb aboard, matey. You want to brush your teeth?
But suddenly the teepee started sinking. And the storm kicked up. There was nothing they could do. They sunk to the bottom of the ocean.
For your life,
They all went to the bottom of the ocean. And at the bottom of the ocean, the sea wolves.
Where's the sea wolves when you need them?
Came to save the day. The friendly sea wolves.
Over this way, sea wolves.
What is it I see?
There's men in peril and
Three
danger.
damsels in distress. Distressed, my distressed friends. What have we before we today?
Suddenly they met the man at the bottom of the sea.
Who just drove off on the bicycle?
They asked him which way back to dry land.
Hey, which way
That
back
way.
to dry land?
That way, you're going the wrong way.
I don't know.
He doesn't know. We're doomed. We're doomed.
So they all jumped on his bike.
That ain't my bike. Where is your bike?
Back to ship, me hearties.
And they all died suddenly from cold.
Except for the sea wolves.
They died from hunger.
Which way to dry land? All right, I'm escaping.